Close your eyes and imagine paradise. Crystal clear water, soft sands, and the sky that stretches into infinity. Welcome to Map My Love, and this is your escape to the breathtaking Maldives. আমাদের জীবনে এমন কিছু জায়গা থাকে যা শুধু দেখা নয়, অনুভব করা হয়। In this episode, we'll share why this destination deserves a spot on your travel bucket list and why it's worth the splurge, even if it's a little expensive. Below the waves lies another world, schools of fish, vibrant coral reefs, and the rhythm of the ocean that just feels alive. Every wave, every breeze, every sunrise feels like nature's way of saying, slow down, you're at home. এখানে আসলেই আপনি বুঝবেন কেন পৃথিবীর আনাচে কানাচে থেকে মানুষ এখানে আসতে চায়। This is where stories are made, where memories are etched forever.
And as the day fades into night, the Maldives becomes a stargazer's dream, where the stars shimmer so brightly, it feels as if the universe is within reach. Hi everyone, we are Ria and Sho, and you are watching our travel vlog series, and in today's episode, we are exploring Maldives.
I planned this trip as a surprise for Ria. It was a big moment for us, as it was 10 years of us being together. So the plan was to completely disconnect from the daily grind, no phones and no distractions, just nature and us.
Indians can get a free visa on arrival for the Maldives, so there's no paperwork hassle. আমরা ব্যাঙ্গালোর থেকে মলডিভসে ডিরেক্ট ফ্লাইট বুক করেছিলাম। While planning, keep two important factors in mind: season and budget. The Maldives is mostly a year-round destination, but November to April is the peak season because of the dry weather and crystal clear skies. We had traveled in the beginning of December and had the best weather during our stay.
We had plenty of time before our flight to paradise, or so we thought. Bangalore T2 duty-free section looked straight out of a Christmas postcard.
Between all the tempting food, the endless cups of filter coffee at the lounge, and discussing our grand plans for the trip, time just disappeared.
By the time we glanced at the clock, it wasn't just ticking, it was racing. We grabbed our bags, dashed to the terminal, and prayed that our gate wasn't just too far.
দৌড়াচ্ছি অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল, আমরা লাউঞ্জ টাউনে খাওয়ার পর অনেকক্ষণ টাইম ওয়েস্ট করার পর
It was the last boarding call and we just made it to our flight. But you know what? Once we settled into our seats, all we could do was laugh. Because hey, a bit of chaos before paradise? Totally worth it. And yes, do not forget to book a window seat for this flight. The view is stunning.
Touchdown, Maldives. Malé Airport is small but efficient, and finding your way to your resort is surprisingly easy. Just outside the arrivals gate, there's a row of kiosks for all the big hotels and resorts. The friendly staff of our resort, Centara Ras Fushi, greeted us warmly and guided us to our speedboat.
Private islands are either speedboat rides or seaplane journeys away. For Centara Ras Fushi, it's a comfortable 20-minute speedboat ride from Mali.
As soon as you step out of Velana International Airport, you feel it. the tropical breeze, the warmth of the sun, and the promise of adventure. The Maldives has a rich and fascinating history. এখানে settlers first এসেছিল 2500 বছর আগে, and over time it became a vibrant hub of trade. Silk, spices and gems, পৃথিবীর অনেক civilization এখানে এসে তাদের footprints রেখে গেছে।
After a comfortable 20-minute speedboat ride, we reached our resort. Arriving at Centara Ras Fushi felt surreal. We couldn't stop admiring the view, endless ocean and pristine white sand. We were welcomed with refreshing drinks and cool towels, perfect after the journey.
And I must say, across all the 20 plus countries that we have traveled so far and all the resorts that we have stayed in, the check-in process here in Maldives was by far the smoothest and most relaxed. And for all payments, we would recommend you to carry US dollars.
বাগি রাইডের সময় দেখলাম সুন্দর ট্রপিক্যাল গার্ডেন্স, বিচ ফ্রন্ট villas আর একটা স্পা যেটা একদম লাগুনের কাছে। Our villa was at the far end of the jetty, giving us uninterrupted views of the ocean. The buggy ride itself was such a fun way to soak in the island. And এখানে সবথেকে ইউনিক হলো the colors that you see. Maldives has a palette of blues, greens and whites যেটা দেখার পর কোনো দিনও কেউ ভুলবে না। We had chosen the Sunset Overwater villa and it was worth every penny. The room was spacious, elegant and the view breathtaking. The turquoise waters stretch endlessly right from our private deck. The golden light in the late afternoon made everything glow. It felt like time stood still.
We watched as the sun dipped into the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It was quiet, magical, and just us. The sunset wasn't just a view, it was a feeling, the kind that makes you pause and appreciate the beauty around you. Honestly, this moment alone made the trip worth it. Our phones stayed off, our worries stayed behind, and all that mattered was this, the simplicity and luxury of being in the moment.
This is what the Maldives promises: pure bliss, untouched beauty, and memories you'll cherish forever.
And while we have dinner at one of the 4 restaurants in our resort, you stay tuned for our next episode where we're going to talk about how you can plan your trip to the Maldives, the budget, water activities, and also help you choose the right type of hotel and room and so much more.
Also, let us know in the comments below what you loved the most in today's episode. Would you like to visit Maldives one day? Let us know in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to share them as well.
আর আমাদের ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Map My Love. Until then, keep dreaming, keep traveling, and keep mapping your love.
We'll see you in the next one.